country has an incredible infrastructure of support and service with agents that have been labeled the first responders because they do just that. This unique group has unique needs when it comes to storing their gear and equipment, and they have a lot of gear. First responders don't have time to waste when accessing their tools and equipment, and they need to know when the door closes that their gear is safe. By collaborating with these men and women who risk their lives for our safety, Debourgh has pioneered the heavy-duty personnel locker to meet the unique storage requirements of our first responders. From ventilation to security to recharging capabilities, we've revamped the way professional equipment is stored. The body and drawer base of this rugged unit are constructed with 18-gauge cold-rolled steel. The door is built from 16-gauge steel with a panel stiffener welded to the inside. The panel stiffener has been modified with a pegboard, standard 1 inch by 1 inch hole configuration to further extend the customizable features of this unit. A forged steel, zinc-plated hook has been welded to the inside of the door for quick and convenient storage for even the heaviest utility belts. The locking mechanism built into every unit is a completely welded 3-point 3-sided latching system. This latch consists of two 3/8 inch rods welded to a 7-gauge locking bar, which is also completely welded to the door and cannot be removed. The rods insert into the top and bottom of the frame, and the locking bar catches at the front of the unit. This design was pioneered by Debourgh in the early 1930s. Other manufacturers have tried to copy this design, but most are made from components that are riveted or bolted together. In a short period of time, these lesser designs tend to wear out and require a high amount of maintenance. Debourgh's all-welded design is built to last the lifetime of the product and require virtually no maintenance. The drawer base at the foot of the locker slides on two drawer glides capable of holding 200 pounds of weight in the fully extended position. With an overall depth of 31.5 inches, the drawer is able to store large, cumbersome equipment. By using a smooth action bolt activated by the door, the drawer automatically locks upon closing the upper unit, requiring no additional locking for the drawer base. The bench tops offered with the HDP locker are 9.5 inches deep maple finished hardwood. The customer can choose from a variety of radius edges or a straight edge if required. With the wear and tear on these bench tops, we suggest a radius edge to avoid chipping and damage to the corners. Depending on the layout, the benches can be individually cut for each unit or ordered in an exact length to span the entire run of lockers. Upon ordering, the edge radius, overall lengths, and end cuts will need to be specified. The end of the bench can be either straight cut or radius cut. Debourgh provides electrical connectivity into each locker unit by the use of our 7-wire 3-circuit electrical system. This versatile system reduces the time spent by an electrician on the job site, thus reducing the cost of the installation. For more information about the electrical system, including the interconnecting parts and installation, please follow the link at the end of this video or go to www.debourgh.com and click on the Media and Downloads tab where you can browse through our playlist of helpful product videos. The video is labeled HDP Electrical Components and Installation. The needs and requirements of each department are unique. The diversity of equipment that is being stored in these lockers requires a variety of configuration options. Debourgh has improved our original design so that each unit is used to its maximum potential. We've taken all of the essential components used in our original design and enabled the user to configure their own layout that best suits their needs. The components include: this plastic insert keeps the mess from your boots in an easy-to-remove, easy-to-clean tray for quick cleanup. If you prefer to keep your damp clothing separate from the rest of your equipment, this shelf provides a perforated drying surface within the drawer base. This shelf makes a perfect drying rack for body armor or damp clothing that you'd like to keep in the upper unit of the locker. This shelf spans the entire width of the locker. These shelves are handy for smaller items that don't need to be secured separately from other equipment. These storage bins come in 2 different sizes for any small item that comes out of your pocket. This hanging rod spans the width of the unit. For long gun storage, This rack supports 2 rifles or shotguns with a rubber liner to protect the barrels from scratching. With a cam lock and drawer glides that can easily support 100 pounds, this drawer is ideal for important documents and equipment that need to be kept separate. With a spring latch capable of use with a padlock or built-in combination lock, this compartment can hold small firearms and ammunition that can be locked at all times even when the unit is left open. All of these components can be easily installed and relocated throughout the unit utilizing Debourgh's Pop, Drop, and Lock It adjustability system. Components can be located along the side and rear of the unit in 4-inch increments. Each piece connects to the locker by simply dropping the tab of the component into the adjuster slot and inserting the included push rivets to ensure a secure install. The larger accessories, such as the security drawer and the security compartment, require the push rivets to ensure a stable and safe operation of the product. For rivet installation on the security drawer, first remove the drawer by pushing the tabs on each of the drawer glides, left down, right up, and pull the drawer completely free of the drawer glides. You will then be able to access the push rivet insertion points. For the security compartment, rivet insertion points can be accessed by reaching your hand between the security compartment and the side of the locker. With thousands of possible configurations, every first responder has their own ideal equipment storage at their fingertips. Check us out today at our website at www.debourgh.com or call us at 1-800-328-8829 for a free full-size locker demonstration.